That's it! Why do I always lose it? Oh.
What are you doing? Come over or you'll get stuck.
Sue, don't stop me! I'm looking for my phone to turn on the music! Hello? Did I put it here? Oh no, I don't remember!
In the past, players were too big to get lost. Oh, here you are!
Oh, thanks! And how did those players look?
I won't tell you. Let's go. I'll show you how to make one.
Hey, Sue! Give me my phone back! I need it!
Hi, fellows! Today we're gonna craft a cool retro player for our Sammy. I've had some blueprints here.
Achoo! Have you ever cleaned it? Achoo!
Well, sorry.
Okay, let's see. This blueprint doesn't look like a player at all.
Do you really know how it should look, though? First, we'll make a base. Done in a blink of an eye.
Ugh, what is this, Susie? Something important?
Yep, it is a side part of our player. I've prepared lots of pieces. Let's put them together.
I'll be some help. I know what this piece is for. Give it to me!
Well, let's see how you'll fold it. Can you do it?
I have a sixth sense, plus engineering skills. There you go.
Sure, this is a fastening for our player. Like to attach it to clothes.
You can attach things to me, like this stuff.
Awesome!
Here you go, Sue.
Okay, follow my lead. That's right. Okay, but we still haven't finished yet. I have something for you.
Let's see. Come on, please.
Easy. These are stands to put our player on its side.
Holy cannoli.
We'll glue these pieces here, where they should be. And use this piece to attach the stands. Here we go. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm looking for other pieces you're hiding. Aha! Check this one.
This one seems like just what we need. A button sidebar.
Yup, and we'll put it right here.
We need another piece to place it over the bar.
And I'm cleaning again! Look at this mess you've made!
These are important, actually. It's player buttons. Turn the music on.
You forgot about these pieces. They're kind of stuck.
Don't panic. Aha, these are volume buttons. I'll put them right here. Check this out.
Oh, wait! Like this. Here is a grid for a battery slot. You can glue it, right?
Okay, you make pieces and I attach them, huh? I like it this way. Let's move on.
Sue, I brought you some screws.
Great! We need to make a window to see the insides through it. Check this out! Looks cool!
Insides? What insides? Are you gonna tell me? Oops! What are these lines?
They're not lines, but new decor for our player. Here will be an opening lid to put a cassette in. Where are the buttons? Oh, here they are!
And I've brought a glass!
Right on time. I'll place it to cover this opening.
Okay, I'll play with these. You defo don't need these. Hey!
I wouldn't be so sure. Look! We did a great job!
Sue, you forgot? How are we going to attach the lace, huh?
Oops, thanks, Sammy. We'll put these pieces here. Watch and learn. And here! It's all done!
Finally! I'll go and check how it works.
Wish you luck! But we still have some work to do. Stay tuned!
Let's go! I found an old flash drive. It's retro too! Ugh, but it's not embedding! At all! Ugh. Should I try a CD? Ugh, it's not working! What's wrong? What should I do?
USB or CD won't do.
Come on! What's the point then? This player is bad.
It's a cassette player. We'll make a cassette for it. Check this out. Let's start with a cassette slot to insert it in.
Can you insert me? Ugh, it's not comfortable. Ugh.
I'll cheer you up. Turn the music on. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Sue, we're all business people here. Put it down.
Okay. Actually, I've brought something.
Then hurry and put them together!
You thought everything through. It'll be all done soon. Now we place the slot inside the player. It's all played well.
Play? Yeah, let's play music! How does it work?
Before we turn the music on, we should insert a cassette inside. I'll draw the blueprint. Do you know how it looks?
Wait, like this? I found a picture, Sue, but I've never used one.
Then this cassette will be the first real one for you. Just cut it out. That's better.
Hey, I'm busy here.
Oh, these are windows to look at the music tape. I'll attach them to the cassette, like this.
Can you hurry, Susie? Speed up, like in a car.
I'd better speed up your car. Watch out!
Ah! Sue, careful! I have a set of pieces here.
Oh, you're dealing with a mini cargo delivery. Cool! We need all these pieces to put the tape together. Great!
I want to draw signs on the cassette too, like we did on the player.
No problem. Write anything you want, Sammy.
Wow, I'll set my creativity free! Check out how pretty it is. Do you like it, Susie?
Wow, so cool! We just need 2 pieces of acrylic glass to finish. Let's place them in these window openings. It looks so real! Just a few finishing touches. Uh-huh. And then we can…
Insert a cassette to the player? Here it is! Bring it on!
Wait, Sammy. We need to fold the cassette to fit it in. Wow, so pretty!
Sue, I finished with the player. Let's play it!
Very well, Sammy. Let's see what we've got. Voila! It's all done and I need a break. Phew!
Today, DJ Sam is listening to some retro music.
You work with the crowd and I'll turn the music on.
Let's go! Ba-doom, boom, boom!
Something's off.
Huh? Weird. Aha! It doesn't have speakers! Let's make headphones!
We defo need them. Where should I find the pieces?
Sue, I've got it! Connect them with the player.
Sammy, these won't do. We need paper ones.
Oh.
We can make headphones now. Can you help?
Yeah, I'm coming! Ah!
Are you alright?
I just fell.
Wait, I've just finished. Let's untangle you. Done. Put these back.
Okay. Actually, they're Roger's.
You didn't return them again? Oh, Sam.
Just don't tell Roger. Here are the pieces for our paper headphones.
Right on time. We'll make a headband from them. It's gonna connect the microphones and hold them in place. Great. I like how it looks. What do you think?
Let me see. Oh! Uh-oh. Sorry, Sue. It was unintended.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll clean it up. That's right. These pieces will make the headphones look real.
Over, Sue! Attach the microphones to the band!
Got it, sir. Sammy, sir.
So how much longer? I can't wait!
Let's try it on. Well…
I can't hear anything. Why?
Right, Sammy. We haven't made the wires. Let's deal with it now.
Can you attach me to the player?
Sammy, you're not even a gadget, Mr. Slime.
What a pity! This player is the 8th wonder of the world! Really! You should come and play it today! You won't regret it!
Did you invite everyone?
Nobody believes me! What should I do?
Let's test it first, and then others will come to see, right? Go, go, go!
Boom, boom! Cool sound! Bada boom!
Hey, Sammy, what's up?
Sue, it's great! I won't lose it! Ever!
And I decided to make speakers right now. What a day! La da 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 da.
Hey, I want it too! Wait for me! Oh, if you liked our retro player, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel! Bye, everyone!